Hi guys, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel. I'm focusing on something about China. If you like China, interested in China, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to sign a WeChat account. I have made this tutorial 2 years ago. Today, I'm gonna update it, and there are something you should avoid. Otherwise, you may not able to make WeChat account forever. Please watch this video to the end in case you missed out something very important. If you have tried to register WeChat account, you might find it that is not easy. Not received the code, the phone number is invalid, need verification assistance, too many attempts, unusual registration, WeChat account blocked after registration. Sort of errors frustrate you. That's what I'm gonna talking about in this video. Before we get started, let's explore why so many people want WeChat accounts so bad. What makes WeChat so special? Elon Musk phrases WeChat model as he discusses plans for Twitter. He compliments the Tencent super apps offering of service like Twitter, PayPal, and more, all rolled into one. He said, if you are in China, you cannot live on WeChat. It does everything. It is sort of like Twitter plus PayPal plus a whole bunch of other things, and all rolled into one great interface. It is really an excellent app. On WeChat, you can do instant message, chatting group, voice call, and video call, share location, order taxi, book tickets, airplane tickets, bus tickets, book hotel, etc. Take out food. Not only take out, you can also buy vegetables, eggs, meat, sort of thing like that, and deliver it to your home within about 1 hour or less. Movie tickets, WeChat channels video, and live stream, music, shopping online, WeChat official account, transfer money, top up. As you can see, you can do almost everything on WeChat. You can buy everything without leaving home. I haven't seen cash for many years. We only use WeChat Pay and Alipay. You can do almost everything after WeChat mini programs launched. WeChat mini programs are sub-application within WeChat system. You don't need to install other apps. You can use them just within WeChat. Trust me, if you have been using WeChat for a while, you will like it. And it has WeChat Online and WeChat for PC Mac version for you to use. Now let's see how to register WeChat account. There is no way to register WeChat account without phone number. So don't waste your time on finding WeChat without phone number. And the phone number has to be registered. No virtual phone number. Enter your nickname. Click here to set up your profile picture, or you can leave it, upload it later. Select your region code and phone number, and then set a password. Please write it down. For foreigners, it could be tricky to reset password because you may not receive the code. So just write the password down, check the terms of service, and click on sign up. It needs security verification. Bad luck. Drag the password paste to the right place. Does foreigners all need verification to make WeChat account? I thought it does. However, some of my foreigners point out that they just register WeChat successfully without any issues. WeChat will detect your registration environment, like your country, phone number, your device, your IP. It all matters. If your old account violated the WeChat terms of service and got blocked, then your device or IP could be blocked too. You might need to use new phone number, device, or IP to register WeChat account. Note, I don't recommend you to use VPN to register WeChat account, but if you are from India, then you need to use VPN to use WeChat because their government banned WeChat. The IP issue is easy to fix. You can switch Wi-Fi to mobile internet data, vice versa. Or you can just stop to trying to register WeChat for a few weeks or months. It could be fixed automatically. The reason why it is so strict, that's because there are many scammers and frauds register many WeChat accounts to do illegal things. It needs you to ask WeChat users to verify you. If you got this, then you need to find WeChat users meet the requirements. The requirements may be different. You need to read it carefully. If you are asked Chinese WeChat users to help you, then he or she has registered WeChat over 6 months and activated WeChat Pay, didn't help others in recent 3 or 6 months. It says the past months. That's not quite right. As I have checked it, one WeChat user can only help 2 or 3 people to register or unblock WeChat account each year. Besides, even your friend meets all the requirements, it could be not working sometimes. I don't have so many accounts to help you, so I recommend you to find WeChat users online, especially Chinese people, because almost every Chinese has WeChat and activated WeChat Pay. All you need to do is making friends with them and ask them for help. You can find many Chinese people online like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, but they may not want to help you. Chinese social media is where you should go, and they are willing to help you for free, like Weibo, Douyin, Kuaishou, QQ, etc. Douyin, Chinese TikTok, and Kuaishou are highly recommended. Should I buy a WeChat account? I don't recommend you to do so, as the people who charge for WeChat account for helping unblock WeChat account, that means they have many WeChat accounts. They run WeChat account on specific devices and IP. If you got WeChat account like that, how could you run WeChat without being detected by WeChat system? You should create WeChat by your own. You can ask a WeChat users who are not from China, just give it a try. Take a screenshot of this QR code and ask your friend to scan it with WeChat. Or ask your friend to open WeChat and search WeChat Team or 微信 Team, 微信团队. Tap Account and tap Help Friend Register to verify your registration. If you don't have any friends, you can try this. Send feedback to WeChat support team. You can contact WeChat via Facebook WeChat official page or Twitter, or send feedback through WeChat app or WeChat web page. More details, please go to my other videos about how to send feedback to WeChat. However, only few people will get response from WeChat. Another tip is try to use another phone number to register WeChat. But no matter what ways you are using, just do not try again right now. You should try again tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, just not now. To be honest, there is no guaranteed way to make it. There are tips you should avoid. If phone number is invalid, change another phone number. If it says unofficial software, make sure you download it from Google Play Store, Apple Store, or WeChat.com, or some authorized third-party app stores. If it says too many times or unusual registration, it means you should stop it right now. By the way, once you get WeChat account, you should change WeChat ID, but it needs to wait for a couple days, and link your email address and Facebook to WeChat, and always backup your WeChat before you uninstall WeChat or log in WeChat on new device. Alright, good luck. See you guys.